31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Once again, we need to find 31st term of an AP. Given 11th term and 16th term, we know nth term an is a plus n minus 1 into d. 10th term we can write a plus 9d. 5th term we can write a plus 4d. Like that, 11th term is, it is given 38, we can write 11th term is a plus 10d, that is equal 38, and the second condition 16th term, that is a plus 15d equal 73. Now we need to solve these two equations and find the value of a and d. A plus 15d equals 73, that is equation number 1, and a plus 10d, that is equal 38, equation number 2. Consider equation number 1 and 2. Consider equation number 1 and 2. Here the variables are a and b. Now we can check the coefficients of a and d. In both equations, coefficients of a is 1, same coefficient, okay. But coefficients of b are different, 15 and 10. In this case, it is easy to eliminate the variable a because the coefficients are same. So we can do subtraction. Equation number 1 minus equation number 2. We know only like terms we can subtract. A minus a, that is 0. 15d minus 10d, that is 5d equal 73 minus 38, that is 35. So when we minus equation number 1 minus equation number 2, we got the answer 5d equal 35. Therefore d equal 35 divided by 5, and the value of d is 7. Now we got the value of d. After getting the value of d, we can substitute the value of d either in equation number 1 or in equation number 2. If you substitute the value of d in equation number 1 or equation number 2, you will get the same value for a. Now I am going to substitute the value of d in first equation, that is a plus 15d equals 73. A plus 15 times the value of d is 7, that is 73. A plus 105 equals 73. Therefore a equal 73 minus 105. The value of a is negative 32. Now we know the value of a and d. The first a means first term. In an AP, first term is minus 32 and the common difference is 7. Please go to the question. We need to find the 31st term of an AP with the first term minus 32 and the common difference 7. We know 31st term means a plus 30d, that is minus 32 plus 30 times 7, that is equal minus 32 plus 210. The 31st term is 178. Okay, once again we can go through this question. The question is, we need to find the 31st term of one AP. For that, the given conditions are 11th term and 16th term. Using the nth formula, we can write the 11th term is a plus 10d and the 16th term is a plus 15d. Now we are making two equations, equation number 1 and 2. From using 1 and 2, we can eliminate, first we can eliminate a, the variable a, and we can find the value of b. Substitute the value of d either in equation number 1 or equation number 2, we will get the value of a, that is minus 32. Now, by using the values of a and d, we can find the 31st term, that is a plus 30d equal 178. Okay, our next question. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? This is an important question. Almost every year we can see this type of question in your board examination. So this question is very, very important. The meaning of the question. How many multiples of 4 are there in between 10 and 250? We know the multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, etc. The multiple of 4 that will come after 10. Soon after 10 is 12, because 10 is not a multiple of 4 and 11 also not a multiple of 4. So the first multiple of 4 after 10 is 12. Then we need to find what is the last term in this AP. We need to find multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. For that, we can check 250 is a multiple of 4 or not. When we divide 250 by 4, we get 2 as a remainder. That means 250 is not a multiple of 4. 250 minus this remainder, that is 248. Therefore, we can write the last term an is 248. Therefore, our required AP is 12, 16, 20, etc. Our last term is 248. So, now we know our AP. We need to find how many terms are there in this AP. For that, we can use our formula, number of terms n equal last term minus first term divided by d plus 1. Here the last term is 248, first term 12, and the common difference is 4. Because this given, find the number of multiples of 4. So common difference is 4. Therefore, n equal 236 divided by 4 plus 1. That is equal 59 plus 1. That is equal 60. Therefore, there are 60 multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. The first one is find the number of terms of an AP. That you can do with respect to the formula. Then the second question is the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively. Which term of this AP is 0? Okay, thank you.